Hello there, welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. Today we are making a request from one of our subscribers on Eating the African Way. She requested us to make a Rolex by myself. So today I'm here to show that I can make a Rolex. Keep watching, let us see how this is going to end. Before we go into the cooking, let us do the setup. Hope I'll be able to make a right circle. Woo. We need to respect these guys. They do a lot of work. I think my job is to eat. When it comes to cooking, no. The first time it is always a total failure, but I think next time we're going to do it better. So today we are doing a request, and it is not so easy as I expected it to be. My job is mostly eating and also learning from other people who are cooking. So for those who have been on this channel, thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. This is the first one we made. The very first one. I'm good at eating when it comes to cooking. So this one looks ready. Hope you can see it. By the time I leave this place, I'm going to be a perfect chapati maker. Tell us what you think about this video in the comment section and the way I've made the chapatis. Can you make these? Can you make them better? I will see the comments. Yeah. So one chapati costs 500 Ugandan shillings. So this one is ready. Hope you can see the texture and the gold colors. So this was the very first one we made. So this one is ready. Hope you're seeing the gold colors on this chapati. That shows that our chapatis are ready. They're so hot and I can't wait to eat. Next step, you're going to make a Rolex. We're going to start with 2 eggs. So this is the cup and then the 2 eggs. These ones look small. So we're going to make nyanyambisi. Nyanyambisi, we're going to put in the katunguru, onion. But the knife is not sharp. Yeah? Sebakamboka kwa yuso chakano. I think that will be enough. So before we fry our eggs, we need to cool the frying pan. Yeah. It is so hot, so hot. So we need to cool it a bit. Hey. Woo. This was a win. This was a win. We need to put on our chapati. So this one is going to be 2 eggs and 2 chapatis. That will cost you 2,000 Ugandan shillings. So this one is ready. This one is for the chef. Our tomatoes were washed, they are clean, so don't worry about that. The tomatoes are so small, we need the big ones. Just a little bit of salt. And then you roll. Hey, we need another chapati. So the first one is done. This one is 2 eggs, 2 chapatis. That is going to cost you 2,000 Ugandan shillings. You need a kavera. So this one is done. So the second Rolex is going to be 4 eggs and then 1 chapati. The cost is going to change. This one is going to be 2,500 Ugandan shillings. Also, it's going to be nyanyambisi. So we are going to introduce our secret ingredient on this one. Hope you can see this. I don't know the right English name, but I think it is called whipping the eggs. But me, I would say beating my eggs. We need to cool our flampen again. This one is so huge, huge. So this one is going to be for the second cameraman. Feel free to request for any video. If you want to see me cooking again, I can cook. If you want to see me eating, I can eat. So hakuna matata. I'm going to make 5 eggs for myself and one. Let me make 4 eggs and 1 chapati. Oh, yeah. Just look at this. I think I can start the same business. So don't worry about my size, the chapati size. This is what I was able to do. Maybe next time I'll do better. Okay, we are almost. So this one is going to be 1 chapati and then 4 eggs. This is when we introduce our avocado. This is our secret ingredient. Hope you can see it. It's called avocado. My prayer is for this stuff to fit into the Rolex. Let us try it and see. Okay. Nothing is going to escape. So this one is also ready. Oh, something ran away. We'll be on the second one, on the last one. We need to put this back. And also this. Oh yeah. So cameraman number 2 is going to eat this as he's sharing the taste, the I don't know what he's going to say, but we're going to hear from him. So now I'm going to do the last one, which is going to be mine. We are almost at the end of this video. And feel free to leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. We need more members. We want to hit 10K at the end of this year. 10K subscribers. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. So since I forgot to add salt on the second Rolex, so this is the one I'm going to have. This one is going to be for the second camera guy. So you add a little bit of salt. You need to be careful when you're rolling the Rolex. All right. Finally, we are done with making our Rolexes. So the last part is we are going to eat and share how it was, and share the experience, and share the taste. So keep watching. Let us eat. I don't know if you can feel what I'm feeling right now. No, eating, the right word to use is taste, not feeling. I don't know if you can taste the same taste I'm tasting right now. But it's not always good for the chef to share the review of the food. But we're going to show our second cameraman. He's going to tell us, he's going to talk more about the Rolex. So let me eat. Let me enjoy that then. So I'm keeping this for you subscribers. So I'm not going to eat it, I'm going to keep it for you. Oh. Finally, this is the second cameraman I was talking about, and this is his Rolex, 4 eggs and 1 chapati. So he's going to eat and then give us a review. So we had to get a third cameraman. So how is it? How is it?
I'm down.
I'm up. Eh? The salt is too much.
Hello, Eating the African Way community. It's Max Minor, and I'm here to give a review of Nicholas's meal today. Now I have 2 reviews. I have the true one and the untrue.
So start with the untrue. So the untrue is?
When I say the one which is untrue, then you won't bring me again to...
I know I will bring you. Make sure you don't embarrass me so much to the people. So
the true review is that I've never had a Rolex with avocado, and this is out of this world. Then the true review is he has to add in more effort in his cooking, especially
making
for the Rolex.
Rolex or making a chapati?
Yeah, the chapati. The chapati. But all in all, it's a nice one. At least for the what is it called? At least for the idea. For the idea, is thumbs up. Then for the cooking, it will grow slow. Yeah. Let me enjoy my thing.
Don't say for the cooking because they will think I don't know how to cook. Tell them for making the chapati.
Okay, for making the chapati, he has to pull up his stockings, and the rest of the ideas, they are just cool. So let's go on with this.
So thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. Today it was all about a request from one of our subscribers on Eating the African Way. So also you can drop a request in the comment section and tell us what you think about this video. We are here for you. So catch up in the next video. Bye bye.